Hey friends, today we're going to be doing some more conjunctions, but they're called something different today. Today they're called correlative conjunctions. That's a tongue twister, isn't it? Correlative conjunctions. And those are pairs of words that connect ideas in a sentence. The words do not appear next to each other in a sentence. One of the words is always a conjunction. All right, which we learned about yesterday. So yesterday we learned about, we learned and, or, and but. Today we're going to add in nor for that. But then we're doing the correlative part, which is the word that goes with it. Okay, remember it's like a pair, they're like partners. So the first example says, both my uncle and I like jelly. Okay, so my correlative one is, let's call it CC. Okay, and their second example is using the word either. Okay, I like either pepper jelly or strawberry jam on toast. So you can see this is the pair, either or. This one was both and. Then I can use neither. Neither the heat nor the humidity bothered me. So this is our pair. Neither and nor go together. And the last one is not only and but. Not only was the train late, but it was also crowded. So you're going to look for those pairs down below. Okay? It'll get easy, and I think you'll spot them right away. So I'm only going to do one because they're pretty easy, guys. All right, so we're going to underline them or circle them. Underline the two correlative conjunctions in each sentence, and then circle the conjunction in each word pair. All right, here we go. Number 1, I can either take the train from North Carolina to New York City or fly there. So I see either, so I'm going to have, and then I'm going to circle my next thing. So if I look up at my chart up here, I can see that either goes with or. So I'm going to circle or. Just like that, guys. Two things. One is underlined, one is circled. All right. When you're done with that, you are going to meet me on page 94. All right. This page is a review. I know that we did this in third grade. So, kinds of sentences. We have a statement, which is a period. We have a question, which is a question mark. We have a command, which also ends with a period. And we have the exclamation, like we're excited, right? So they gave us an example of each of those. Tomoko is waiting at the bus stop. That's a statement, so I have a period. Next one says, does this bus go by the aquarium? I'm asking a question, so it ends with a question mark. And a command, get in line to buy a ticket. You're commanding somebody to do something. Ends in a period. And the last one is either showing excitement or you're just super excited about it, I guess that's the best way. That line is so long, okay? Ends with an exclamation mark. So you are going to write the correct ending mark for these sentences in this first section and then label which one was it. I'm okay if you put S for statement, Q for question, C for command, and E for exclamation. If you want to write out the whole word, you can, okay? I don't want to do any of those together, guys, because this is a review. So pick the right one that goes with it, okay? And you're also putting it at the end of the sentence right here, you're going to put what goes there, then write the letter, okay? So the city streets are very busy, okay? I guess we will do one together. So I'm going to put a period, and that's just a statement. So I would write S for statement, okay? All right, for the bottom section right here, there's 6 errors in this ad. There are 2 missing capital letters and 4 incorrect or missing end marks. So you're looking for 2 capital letters. It's kind of nice that they tell you what you're looking for, right? 2 capital letters and then 4 ending marks that are not right, okay? So go ahead and look for those. And if you see an ending mark that is wrong, you're just going to cross out the one that you have and put in the correct one. And if it's a capital letter, you're going to cross out the letter and put a capital right above it. Okay? Looks good, guys. Have a super day.